Dude, what's up guys? Look what I got. Wow, a Tsunami Celica 2004 6-speed GTS Thundercloud. What a crazy color. This is a Thundercloud Celica. Very rare, very hard to come by. A 2004 GTS. That's the trick right there. There's a couple Tsunamis out there. I think there's like 700-800 around in the US, right around there. One of the rarest that they made of this is the Tsunami edition, which I was able to get my hands on one. Now it's even more rare when it's in the Thundercloud color, but it's even more rare when you get it in a 6-speed manual GTS. That is crazy. So I was really happy I found one. One owner. I'm gonna go ahead and throw the clip in. Redline Ricer helped me pick this car up. He's the man. I'm gonna put a clip in that he filmed, and I'll throw that in right now of me picking up the car.
Hey, bye, thank you.
Well, what are you taking pictures? Take a picture of me.
Hey! Yay! Yay!
Ready, Calvin?
Yeah, let's see you roll out. Yeah!
So you guys see, I had to do a little burnout, a little burnout on the way out of there. That's pretty funny on that. That's a great clip. But yeah, I'm back at it. I'm super happy. I told you guys I wanted a Sports M, or I really wanted a TRD Sports M, but you can't get them in the US for another 5 years or 4.5. And that would only be the 2000 version. So I was always shopping and looking in the market, and this came up. It was a one owner Thundercloud real Tsunami kit. I was like, this thing is rare. Has 94,000 miles on it, and it was just rare. A one owner, I was like mind blowing. The guy was awesome. He was in the Air Force, bought it off the showroom floor brand new. It was his third Celica. He owned two 7th gens and one 5th gen. So he loved the Celica. He said if they would have made a new Celica, he would have been buying that one. He's going to a Toyota Camry. He is a Toyota fanboy, that older guy. He is awesome. But yeah, one owner, crazy. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no nothing. It's awesome. This is like a rare. I know you guys have been dying for me to get another Celica. Everyone's saying, where's the Celica? Where's the Celica? Where's the... So I might as well get one of the rarest ones out there. So I found this one. I got an okay deal on it. I paid a lot for it. It was very expensive. I could have got a free Celica, but this is just night and day. This thing is in great mint condition. I really love it. The interior is awesome. The worst thing though, those wheels. What are those? He loved them too. He was all about the wheels. He actually just got the 90,000, who even does this? Got the 90,000 mile the service done at Toyota. So it has like a Toyota OEM oil filter on it. They did they actually put a new clutch on it too. Toyota did. They just said they recommend putting a new clutch on it. So he has a Toyota OEM clutch on it with like 5,000-6,000 miles on it. It feels amazing. I love the Tsunami wing. I love this paint color. I love that it's a GTS. There's so many plans that I want to do with this car to make it even better. But this is just the ultimate, one of the ultimate Celicas that are out there. Very rare, very hard to come by. I just can't believe I found this thing. Popped up online. I was shopping online like I've always kind of been doing. I think it was up for like 24 hours, and I hit him up and he said he had 4 other people in line to come buy it this coming weekend. And I was like, nope, I'll take it right now. Drove about 2 hours one way, so about 4-hour round trip to go get it. But it is awesome. I already got it tagged and titled and everything. It's all in my name now. I love this car. This is such a cool car. So I'm gonna go over some of the features in a different video. It's different from this car to the other cars, but there's just gonna be so many plans for. Yeah, I'm just super excited. This is an awesome car. It's so smooth. It's the most buttery smooth Celica I've owned. Really, it really is. It is so smooth. The 2004 transmission on this thing for the 6-speed, and with that new OEM clutch on there, oh my gosh, it shifts good. Everything works on it. AC works on it. Everything works on it. Power sunroof, everything works on it. I love it a lot. I'm gonna do a lot of changes though to make it what I think looks perfect on it. Put a lot of MITCHDORE.com stuff on there, but I'm super happy. If you guys are happy to see more Celica content, hit the like button right now. Hit that big old like button. Subscribe. I'm gonna build this thing up. I'm so excited. I've only seen a Thundercloud Celica like once or twice. It is such a unique color. It's silver, but like darker silver. At night it's darker. It's just like a Thundercloud-ish. It looks really, really good. I really like it a lot. It is awesome. What a cool car. I'll go ahead and give you guys some quick revs real quick. I'll rev it up a little bit, let you guys listen to it. And then what we're gonna do is probably start building it right away. So I'm just gonna go into it and start building it. There's so many things I'm looking at right now, and I just gotta change already to make it the way I want it to look. One question though, before we jump into this and I go over everything and start changing it. My girlfriend says, first off, the wheels gotta go, right? Yeah, it came with wheels. I'll show you guys those new, I'll do new wheels in a video, but she hates these wheels. Look at these things. She said first, those gotta go, which absolutely, Gabrielle, you're right, those things gotta go. Then the other thing she really did not like was the tail lights. She does not like the Tsunami tail lights. So that being said, they'll probably be up for sale. Some people like them and some people hate them. But yeah, pretty interesting. This guy was like in the marching band and in Rotary Club. This thing has never driven hard. When he took me on a test drive from it, he like barely revved it past like 3,000 RPMs. And I got in it and I kind of full sended it, you know, and he's like, whoa, you know, I've never driven a car like this before. It was great though, but I'm really happy with it. It's awesome. I love this car, guys. This is crazy. What a unique car. It looks so futuristic. I was parking it on the side of the street and I was like, you know what? It looks more modern than a lot of the newer cars out there. I think it looks more modern than a Tesla. It looks awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap up the video. I got a Toyota Tsunami Celica GTS 2004. Awesome. This is an awesome car. Love it, love it, love it. Make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. We'll be back with new Celica content real quick here.